I think college athletics holds a special place in both the American culture as well as our student athletes. I think that especially Division II, where Parkside resides, is really one of the last bastions for true amateur athletics. And seeing how it can transform lives is really something that appeals to me. My parents came as immigrants. Their story is rooted in higher education. College athletics is, for a lot of folks, their only means to access higher education. So by supporting the athletes in their journey, both on and off the field, it's really fulfilling to see kids come in as 18-year-olds and then leave college as different people and adults. And all the lessons that are taught through college athletics, as well as through higher education overall. When we moved some of our operations to Southeast Wisconsin, we were looking to partner with the university. Parkside definitely stood out as both the level of education that was being administered to the students, as well as the proximity to such a vibrant business corridor between Milwaukee and Chicago. So supporting Parkside overall in the college athletics was kind of a no-brainer for us, and we really wanted to give back to an institution that, quite frankly, is doing a lot of thankless work that doesn't always get recognized. So by supporting the university, I wanted everybody in the area to see that we as a family, and me, myself as an individual, value what Parkside is delivering to not only the student athletes and the students overall, but to the broader community as well. As the choice of whether or not to go to college or university becomes increasingly a financial one, I think it's important that we provide an experience that reflects the investment that the students are making. Not only are they investing their time, but they're also investing their dollars and hoping that there's a broader outcome. And I wanted to give a gift that not only improved the student athlete experience, but the overall student experience as well, because so much of college happens outside the classroom and just kind of within the four walls of the university. So by providing a better athletic experience, a better overall facilities, I think that helps students really feel like they made the right choice by going to university. Getting more students to Parkside, making it accessible, making it an enjoyable experience that students value is really what success looks like for me. So whether that's investing in the indoor athletic facilities, the broader outdoor projects, just creating an atmosphere that students want to go to and that continues to increase over time is really what success looks like. Specifically, as the only Division II institution in the state of Wisconsin, I think bringing success on the floor, on the field, is really what success will look like, because I think winning, is a tide that raises all boats. So from that standpoint, being able to provide an experience that gets student athletes into the door that are going to compete at a high level, that gives coaches the facilities that they need to recruit and bring in students and provide a positive experience, I think all of that will translate into success on the court and on the field. My message to the community is really to keep investing in Parkside. Keep investing your time, your dollars, your support, because Parkside is a unique university. It's really a community experience. The more that the community of Southeast Wisconsin invests in Parkside, the better overall it's going to be for the students today and as well as long term. These institutions really only last for as long as we invest in them as a community. So as I've invested, I encourage everybody to invest. And if you can invest dollars, invest your time, because if we don't, these are the kind of institutions that we'll take for granted and that will be gone in the future. So if we don't invest today, what are our kids and our grandkids going to have to look forward to in the future? So I really implore everybody, keep supporting, keep investing, and that's what's going to lead to a brighter future for everyone.